Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create multiple slide section in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Now you want to create multiple slide section. We can see here many slides. You want to add multiple slide section. Firstly, go to some down and we can see here 4 slide. Now I am select the first slide, then click the section option and click add section. Now I am rename the section. Now I am write section 1. You can rename this any name, then click the rename option, then go to some down and again click the section option and click add section, then again rename the section. Now I am rename this section 2, then click rename option. Then you can see we collapse and expand the section. We can see here the number of the slide into this section 3. Now we can see we make multiple slide section very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.